You guys should go collect those eggs.
Hey, Kenny.
Are you sure?
Come. Another one.
What?
Go
Here.
get some eggs,
Why didn't you put them in the basket?
What?
Here, come get. Look, there's more.
Look all around. I think there's lots out here. You have to keep looking.
Okay, just toss it in the basket.
Yeah.
What's in there?
Let's collect all those eggs, and then we can have some candy.
Hi, Lily.
I'll say Happy Easter! Happy Easter for Lily! What? Oh, go on, get those! Hey, Hawkins, put all your eggs in the basket right there. Hey,
Tina.
open one. Oh! You keep looking. Oh, there's more! Is this a fun thing? This is a fun thing to do on Easter. Look for Easter eggs. You guys are doing great.
Put them in the basket.
You got enough. Good job. Oh, good job. Oh, nice, August. See any more? Oh, oh, there's some markers.
Got it. You got one?
Nice.
Why don't you put them in the basket and then you can come look for more? Think there's any more?
Good job, boys.
What? Go put it in the basket, babe. How can you running out of room?
Go put those in the basket, Manny.
Wow. Did you guys get all of them?
Yeah, boys. Oh, there's more than a bunch on the slide. Woo! Woo, woo. That's a good idea. Make it.
Good. Pick them all up and put them away. I think that's all of them.
Good job, boys.
Should we bring them inside? Is that did you get every single one? Let me see. What? You guys are good. So look at the camera. Look at the camera. Say Happy Easter. Hockey, can you say Happy Easter?
Maybe I'm going to open them
Hawkins, look at
over
Mama.
there.
Hawkins, look at Mama. Say Happy Easter. Hawkins.
Happy Easter! Oh, they're really cool.
That's really cool.
Yeah, let's do them.
Was that too fun? Good job.
Let's come on out.
Happy Easter, baby.
Happy Easter!